In this video, we're going to talk about 1.2, where we obtain information about a function from its graph. Let's go ahead and look at our first problem here. Let's use the graph of the function f shown to the right to answer parts a through n. Let's find f of negative 28. So when x is negative 28, y is negative 6. Now let's find f of negative 8 when x is negative 8, y is positive 6. F of 24 is 6. F of 0 is negative 3. F of 8 is negative. It's a negative 6. F of negative 28 is also negative. For what values of x is f of x equal to 0? So that would be negative 24. That would also be negative 4. And that would be positive 16. For what values of x is f positive, we're going to have to answer in an inequality notation here. So it's above the x-axis everywhere from negative 24 to negative 4 not included. So x between negative 24 to 4, comma, everywhere to the right of 16 up to 24. So 16 x and then up to and including 24 because it never comes back down to touch the x-axis there. So we have two intervals there. What is the domain of f? So x is between negative 28 included and 24 included. The range is going to be negative 6. Make sure you put the variable here as y, and up to positive 9. It's the upper bound there. What are the x-intercepts? We listed them before, negative 24, negative 4, and 16. That's the same question as where is the function equal to 0. What are the y-intercepts? Negative 3 on y is where it crosses the y-axis, so they just want y equals negative 3. Typically, when we talk about intercepts, we want ordered pairs, so be careful to read your instructions to see if it wants an integer or fraction separated by commas. That means it just wants the x-coordinate or the y-coordinate here. If it says that it wants an ordered pair, you need to answer with an ordered pair. How often does the line y equals 1 intersect the graph? So y equals 1 is going to be somewhere up here above the x-axis, and it's going to cross 1, 2, 3 times. Don't know exactly where, but I know that it crosses 3 times. And how often does x equal 2 intersect the graph? So x equals 2 is going to be a vertical line here that's somewhere over here. And it should only hit the graph 1 time. For what values of x is f of x equal to negative 6? So there's 2 places on the graph where I have a y value of negative 6, and that's at negative 28 and at 8. So negative 28, comma 8. And where on the graph is y equal to 9? There's only one place where that happens, and that's right here at negative 12. That's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we will continue talking about section 1.2. See you for the next video.